My presentation and that of family. My family is composed. My wife Nancy and my daughters Laura and Sofia. My name is Jorge Cárdenas. I am 46 years old. I am from Bogotá, Colombia. I am technical boss de plastic production. I am studying industrial and engineering 2 semesters. My favorite sport is run. My favorite hobby is watch action television and to like repair accessories. My wife Nancy. She is 52 years old. She is housewife. She is from Funza, Cundinamarca. She is medium weight. She is nice, sweet, and intelligent. She has the black eyes and curly hair and brown skin. She likes watch the novel TV at night. My daughter Laura. She is studying theology and psychology. She is from Bogotá, Colombia. She is gentle. She is intelligent. She is tall and strong. She is young. She is 21 years old. She is the black long hair. She likes the romantic watch movies. My daughter Sofia. She is 15 years old. She is a student the high school 10th grade. She is friendly. She is sweet and nice and beautiful. She is intelligent and patient. She is medium strong and thin. She is young. She has brunette skin and brown eyes. She likes watch TV and play volleyball. She is from Bogotá, Colombia. The end.